Hey everyone. If YouTube suddenly stopped working on your smart TV, don't worry. Yeah, this happens more often than you'd think. In this video, I'll walk you through several quick fixes that usually get YouTube back up and running in just a few minutes. Let's jump right in. First, uh, make sure your TV is actually connected to the internet. Sometimes the app isn't the problem. It's the connection. Open your TV's network settings and confirm Wi-Fi or Ethernet is connected and stable. If the connection looks weak, try restarting your router and then reconnect your TV. Next, give your smart TV a proper restart. Yeah, not just sleep mode. Turn the TV off, unplug it from the power outlet, and wait about 1 minute before plugging it back in. This clears temporary glitches that often cause YouTube to freeze or not load. All right, if YouTube still isn't working, the app itself might be outdated. Go to your TV's app store, find YouTube, and check for updates. If an update is available, install it, and then reopen the app. Okay, this next fix works really well. Clear the YouTube app cache. Over time, cached data can get corrupted and cause playback issues. Go to Settings, then Apps, select YouTube, and choose Clear Cache. If your TV shows clear data, you can try that too. Just note it may sign you out. If the problem is still there, your TV software might need an update. Open System or Software Update in Settings and check for any pending updates. Install any available update, then restart the TV once it finishes. And finally, if nothing else worked, uninstall and reinstall the YouTube app. This usually fixes stubborn issues. Remove the app, restart your TV, then install YouTube again from the App Store. And that's pretty much it. One of these fixes should get YouTube working again on your smart TV. If it helped, feel free to drop a like. And yeah, subscribe for more quick tech fixes like this. Thanks for watching.